friends, welcome to English का ज्ञान चिंतन के साथ. And for today's video, these are the two words that I have selected for today's video, and the words are monumental, okay, and the second word is relinquish, okay. So we are going to discuss these two words with meaning with sentence. And since last episode of this particular channel, we have started seeing some real uses of the respective word that we learn in each and every video. So today also I have selected a couple of articles in which these two words have been utilized. Okay, I hope you all guys are doing well. And by considering that thing, let's start the discussion of these two words with meaning and with sentence. So the first word is monumental, and in if I talk about the category of the word, then it is adjective. And the very simple meaning for this monumental we can consider as a huge, massive, right? Or like you can also consider more explanatory meaning of this particular word would be something great or bigger in importance. That can be also considered as a monumental. Yani बहुत बड़ा, okay, yeah, like something in a bigger quantity, something in a more quantity, that can be considered as a monumental. जब कुछ बहुत ज्यादा हो, that can be considered as a monumental, right? It means very simple meaning is huge, massive, right? And whenever we normally use either huge or massive or something like that, that can be straight away replaced with the monumental word, right? Now I hope you understand the meaning. Now let's go for the first sentence that I have created for this monumental word. And the sentence is: monumental efforts are required by government of all nations of the world to recover from the recession, right? We all know that in so many sectors right now the recession has been occurred, right, due to the detrimental effects of the corona. And owing to that reason, it is responsibility of the government of all nations of the world to invest or to implement huge efforts. यानी huge efforts government को करना चाहिए to recover from the recession, right? And that huge efforts is replaced as monumental efforts are required by the government of all nations to recover from the recession. So that is what the meaning of monumental word. Okay, now the second sentence, we recently heard the news about the retirement of the great MS Dhoni, and the second sentence is somehow relevant with the achievement of the MS Dhoni. And the sentence is: winning all ICC trophies is a monumental success for MS Dhoni. It means winning all ICC trophy is a huge success, is a massive success for MS Dhoni. So that is what the meaning of this particular word, right? And that is what the meaning of this particular word. And so these are the two sentences that I have created for this particular word, right? Now let's move to the real uses of this particular word in the article from which I have learned this particular word. And this is the commentary of a well-known cricketing site. Okay, and recently we are able to see the test match between England and Pakistan, and from that particular commentary I have learned this particular word. And if I read the sentence, then the sentence is something like that: England in a good position to post 400, 450 to 500 run, and from there it is going to take a monumental effort for Pakistan to come back. It means like there was a test match between Pakistan and England, and in which the England was in very much good position, and the sentence is like is mentioning the huge efforts required by the Pakistan to come back in that test match. So from this sentence, I have learned the monumental word, and then I have selected for this particular video. So I hope you understand now in which context we can use monumental word, right? Now, let's go to the second word that I have selected for this particular video. And the second word is relinquish, right? The word is relinquish. Okay, if I talk about the category of the word, then it is a verb, and meaning of relinquish is give up. Means किसी भी चीज में हार मान जाना या उसको छोड़ देना, that can be considered as a relinquish, या उसको voluntary छोड़ देना, that can be considered as a relinquish. Very easy meaning is give up. So whenever we normally use give up, that can be replaced with relinquish, right? And the sentence that I have created for relinquish word, the first sentence is people should not relinquish their hopes for better future. In this time of pandemic, people should not give up their hopes of better future. Everything will be fine and we will definitely conquer over this pandemic, and the the all good days will definitely come. In that context, people should not give up their hopes, people should not relinquish their hopes for better future. That is what the meaning of this relinquish word for this particular sentence. Let me go to the another sentence that I have created for this particular word, and the sentence is people should relinquish habit of smoking for betterment of their health. Yani people should give up their habit of smoking for the betterment of health, because we know plethora of people around us, okay, who are like who indulge in using or in smoking and all those things, and just because of that reason, not only he or she suffers from so many diseases, but the other people also who are of their family members and all those people also suffer indirectly just because of that bad habit. And owing to that reason, or due to that reason, people should relinquish habit of smoking for betterment of health, for their health also, for other health also, for good mental health also, for good financial health also. In context of everything, people should relinquish habit of smoking to live life in a good way. That is what the meaning of relinquish word. Now, the real example of the article from where I uh, heard this particular word, the sentence is something like that: Nissan says Goshen to relinquish CEO role, and the another person will take over his role. So Nissan says Goshen is a person names. That particular person is going to give up the CEO role, and the another person is going to take helm. It means the another person is going to take the position of that person, right? So I hope you understand the meaning of both these words, with meaning and with sentence. If you like the content, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for getting the regular updates. We will meet next weekend with more words and with more meanings. Till then, bye bye and be happy.